morning, student. Myself, Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya, Ratnagad. We are studying chromosomal abbreviation in human being. Now, in this chapter, our topic is linkage and exchange of genes. Two topic we discuss today. Linkage. What is linkage? Mendel law of independent assortment is proved that true for both gene and chromosomes. Genes are found in various number on each of the chromosome of an organism. According to Mendel, each character is determined by a factor which is later known as gene. At first, German scientist Sutton discovered linkage describing the correlation between factor and chromosomes. According to him, the parental and maternal member of each pair of chromosomes are independently distributed in gametes during meiosis. Due to this, genes situated on separate chromosomes are independently assorted. Number of genes are more of comparison on chromosome in an organism. Just like in Drosophila, there are 4 pairs of chromosomes while number of genes in 1000. If we talk about a human being, then there are only 46 chromosomes, but the number of genes is approximately 30,000. Means these 30,000 genes are situated on the chromosomes in a liner. So the arrangement of the chromosomes on the gene is called chromomere, and these genes are situated on chromosomes and control the characters of human being. And whenever two or more than two, listen carefully, linkage, whenever two or more than two genes inherited together, then it is called linkage. Whenever two or more than two genes are inherited in one generation to another generation, then it is called linkage. The characters are inherited together from one generation to another. Thus, genes situated on one chromosomes are not always assorted independently. Mendel's law says that the third law of Mendel, independent assortment, says that each gene is inherited particularly, but here because Mendel gets successness because Mendel choose the characters in which linkage is absent. So what is the linkage? Linkage is the characters are inherited together from one generation to another generation. Thus, genes situated on one chromosomes are not always assorted independently. Thus, genes are present on a chromosome. Thus, genes are present on a chromosome have a tendency of inheritance together. Have the tendency of inheritance together. These genes are called linked gene, and the phenomena is known as linkage. Phenomena is known as linkage. The group of genes present on a chromosome which have a tendency of inheriting together, that is called linkage group. And whenever you can see one example in a Lathyrus odoratus. In Lathyrus odoratus, there are two characters. First, black color of flower and long pollen grain. Whenever we cross them with red color of flower and short pollen grain, then we obtained in F1 generation all the plant are of black color and long pollen grain. Whenever we want to test these cross, and what is the test cross? We discussed in our earlier video. Whenever we cross with recessive character of cross between F1 generation and recessive characters. जब हम F1 जनरेशन का क्रॉस रिसेसिव करेक्टर के साथ करवाते हैं तो अपने को मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में 1:1 रेशियो प्राप्त होता है, और अगर डाइहाइब्रिड क्रॉस की बात करें तो 1:1:1:1 रेशियो ऑब्टेंड होता है. लेकिन यहां क्या हुआ लेथाइरस ओडोरेटस के अंतर्गत क्या हुआ, अपने को जो रेशियो प्राप्त होता है वो क्या है 7:1:1:7. सो दैट इज नॉट द मेंडल्स इनहेरिटेंस. यहां क्या होना चाहिए था, ये रेशियो प्राप्त होना चाहिए था, ये रेशियो प्राप्त नहीं होके ये रेशियो प्राप्त होता है. इसका मतलब देयर इज अ डिफिकल्टी बिकॉज देयर इज लिंकेज प्रेजेंट. मेंडल सक्सेस हुआ क्योंकि मेंडल ने जो कैरेक्टर लिए थे उन कैरेक्टर्स में लिंकेज प्रेजेंट नहीं थी. ठीक है. एंड लिंकेज वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय सटन एंड बावेरी एंड the linkage gene was discovered by Morgan. Okay, now there is two types of linkage. First, complete linkage and another incomplete linkage. Complete linkage and incomplete linkage, there is two types of linkage. When the genes present on a chromosomes are so close that their inheritance from one generation to another generation happens without forming new combination, that is called complete. Means the genes which are situated on chromosomes and these are the genes, this is the structure of chromosome, and these genes goes from one generation to another generation together. They have never differentiate to each other, so it is called complete linkage. And second, incomplete linkage, linked genes do not inherit always in the same combination because there is gene exchange is present, so that is called incomplete linkage. Means in detail we can say linked gene do not inherited always in the same condition. At the time of meiosis, the homologous chromosome exchange them by crossing over. These genes located away on the chromosomes are incompletely linked because much possibility of segregation of crossing over. So whenever we talk about this gene and there is crossing over, so these two genes are not goes from one generation to another generation always, so that is called incomplete linkage. Now our next topic is gene exchange. Gene exchange or crossing over. As you know, at the time of gamete formation there is a meiosis, and meiosis is of two types, meiosis first and meiosis second. And meiosis first has four types: prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, and telophase first. In prophase first, so the prophase first is divided in 5 sub part called leptotin, zygotin, pectine, diplotin, and dikinesis. First of all, you see in leptotin the chromatid is appearing in chromosomes, and this is leptotin. In zygotin, two sister chromatid comes near to each other and make a bivalent, and in pectine stage they have crossed each other, or we can say in this crossing over the exchange of segment of chromosomes are happened. Means one part of just for example we named this chromosome A and this B, so A's part joined with B and B's part joined with A, यानी दोनों के अंतर्गत क्या होता है, क्रोमोसोम के सेगमेंट का क्या होता है, एक्सचेंज होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड क्रॉसिंग ओवर. अब जब एक्सचेंज होगा जिस क्रोमोसोम पार्ट का, उस क्रोमोसोम पार्ट में कोई जीन प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है, तो ये जीन क्या गई इसके साथ गई और ये वाली जीन इसके साथ गई, तो इसको अपन कह सकते हैं क्रॉसिंग ओवर एंड रिकॉम्बिनेशन. और उसके बाद में वापस क्या होते हैं, इन गुणसूत्रों के खंड आपस में जुड़ते हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड recombination. Some recombinant form were also found during Bateson and Punnet's experiment. This was due to another phenomena which is called crossing over. Crossing over is that phenomena in which genes are exchanged between heterologous chromatid or homologous chromosome, and a new combination gene are obtained. Crossing over happens at the Pachytene stage, of prophase, first of meiosis, first at the time of gamete formation. The point, remember, the point where the crossing over happens is known as chiasma. Means this part where these chromosomes are attached to each other, that is called chiasma, or we can say the point where the crossing over happens is known as chiasm. The linked gene segregated from each other by process of crossing over, by which a new combinations are formed. Okay, this is crossing over or exchange of gene. Now, type of crossing over. There are three types of crossing over. First, single crossing over. Second, double crossing over, and third, multiple crossing over. Multiple crossing over. Three types of crossing over. First of all, single crossing over. Only one chromatid of homologous chromosome takes part. Only one. Just like you can see, these are two pairs, and only one sister chromatid take part in formation of chiasma, and this is called single crossing over. Only one chromatid of homologous chromosomes takes part in the process of crossing over, and only one chiasma is formed in its pair. This is called single crossing over. Now, double crossing over. 2, 3, or all four chromatids. 2, 3, or all four. 1, 2, 3, 4. All four pairs of chromosome may take part in the process of two chiasma are formed in same. Means here and another second. Two chiasma are formed, then it is called double crossing over. And whenever chromosome attached by many places, one here, like one here, so these are multiple crossing over. When more than two chiasma formed in non-sister chromatids, then it is known as multiple crossing over. What are the characters of crossing over? First of all, the process take place in the Pachytene during meiosis or gametogenesis. Second, the process take place in between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosomes. Third, exchange of segments of gene in between non-sister chromatid is called crossing over, and the number of points at which crossing overs take place on the chromosome pair at a time, it depends upon the length of chromosomes. The percentage of crossing over increase the length of chromosome, and if there is linkage present, then exchange of gene decreases, and whenever exchange of gene is or crossing over is increases, then linkage is decreases. And in the older age of human, the crossing over is decreases because the gamete formation is reduced in older age. Now, in this chapter, only one topic, sex linked inheritance and allosome linked inheritance are remains, which we will study in our next video. Thank you for today's class.